sewing studio where I turn my fashion ideas into reality. I'm just back from the beach. I enjoyed a beautiful day out on the boat and I want to show you guys a new bikini that I made just for the occasion. Please make sure to stick around till the end of the video to see me rock this bikini out on the yacht. First, I'm going to place my bikini bottom and top pieces down on the fabric I'm working with and press it down with some weights. These pieces were created by tracing and slightly modifying an old store-bought bikini. Now I'm going to carefully cut out my bikini bottoms, following with the bikini top. My favorite element of this beautiful peach fabric is the gold sparkle throughout it. I bet this bikini is going to look gorgeous on a sunny day at the beach. I want to prepare all of my pieces prior to sewing. I am measuring out some casings which are used to create our straps. The casings I'm cutting are 1 1/8 inches wide. My elastic band is 1/4 of an inch wide, but once folded over, it will be wide enough to cover the elastic fully. I can't forget to line my bikini. I'm using nude lining and I'm only lining the front of my bikini bottom and the triangles for the bikini top. I got matching peach thread from my sewing machine and serger. I'm going to thread both of my machines before I begin the sewing process. The first thing we are going to do is serge around the bikini bottom, leaving the waist and crotch unserged. Then I will switch my serger to baby hem and serge along the butt cheeks, pulling at the fabric as I do so in order to create that wavy effect. Now I will insert this elastic band down the middle of the bum in order to create ruching. Once this is done, I can insert elastics in the front of my bikini, folding it over for a neat finish. Once both of my bottom pieces are individually completed, I can attach them at the crotch. I will now proceed with inserting the casing I've cut out to serve as my bikini ties. I will make more ties for the bikini top as well. Here you can see how nicely the seam folds over, the elastic is hidden, and the finish is nice and straight. I am finishing off the bikini triangles by inserting the same elastic as I just did on the bottoms. I am stitching the casing into the waistband of my bikini bottoms. This casing flows right into the ties in the bikini bottom. I am inserting more elastic band into my remaining casing strips. The longest strip will be fed through the bikini triangles and tied at the back, and the 2 shorter ones will be attached to the top to go around my neck. I've attached the bikini ties and now my bikini is ready to wear. This bikini took almost no time and very little fabric. If you want me to create a custom-made bikini just for you, please DM me on Instagram, following the handle in my description. Now, let's check out the final product, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!